Numerical number 6 of the chapter dot product of two vectors. Numerical number 6 given. Vector A equal 4 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 7 minus 3 k cap, and vector B equal minus 2 I cap minus 5 j cap plus 7 k cap, and we have to find vector A acts at an angle theta with vector B. So we have to find this angle theta. Now mod vector A equal root over, now rectangular components of vector A are 4, 6 and minus 3 along x, y and z axis. 4, 6 minus 3. So it will be root over 4 square plus 6 square plus minus 3 whole square equal root over 61. So we get the magnitude of vector A as root over 61, and magnitude of vector B, mod vector B equal rectangular components of vector B is minus 2, minus 5 and 7 along x, y and z axis. That's why mod vector B equal root over minus 2 whole square plus minus 5 whole square plus 7 square root over 78. 4 plus 25 plus 49 is equal root over 78. Root over 78. Magnitude of vector B equal root over 78. And magnitude of mod vector A equal root over 61. This is mod vector B. Root over 78 and mod vector A equal root over 61. Now again vector A dot vector B now vector A dot vector B equal, putting the expression of vector A, mod vector A mod vector B cos theta, equation 1, that is vector A dot vector B equal root over 61 root over 78 cos theta. This is vector A dot vector B. Therefore vector A dot vector B equal root over 61 root over 78 cos theta. This is equation 1. Again vector A dot vector B equal, bracket opened, putting the expression of vector A and vector B in terms of its rectangular components, their rectangular components, 4I cap plus 6j cap minus 3k cap dot two I cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap. Now we know the formula, that is if vector A equal ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap and vector B equal bx I cap plus by j cap and bz k cap, then vector A dot B equal ax plus ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. That is sum of product of the rectangular components of two vector. Vector A dot vector B, in that case ax bx into ay by plus az bz. This is the formula of dot product of two vectors. So using that concept, 4 into minus 2, 4 and minus 2 are the rectangular components of vector A and vector B along x-axis. That's why multiplying 4 with minus 2, multiplying 6 with minus 5 and multiplying minus 3 with plus 7 equal minus 8, minus 30, minus 21 is equal minus 59. Finally, we get vector A dot vector B. Therefore, vector A dot vector B equal minus 59. Vector A dot vector B equal minus 59, which is negative. Equation 2. Now vector A dot vector B was root over 61 root over 78 cos theta, and here according to equation 2 vector A dot vector B equal minus 78. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. We get minus root over 61 root over 78 cos theta equal minus 59, or comma cos theta equal minus 59 minus 59 divided by root 61 root 78. Therefore 7 theta is equal cos inverse minus 59 divided by root 61 root 78. Therefore, using scientific calculator or cosine table, we get theta as, if we find the value of cos inverse minus 59 divided by root 61 root 78, then this value will be, theta will be 148.797536 399 degree, 148.797536 9399 degree. Now also we can use the scientific calculator, then we can find theta as 148 degree 47 minutes and 51.1 seconds. We get the value of theta as 148 degree 47 minutes 51.1 minutes. So this is the value of angle between two vectors A and vector B. Angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B.